Hi everyone, right now we're going to talk about how to change a horizontal video into a vertical video using Keynote. So let's just open up Keynote here, and we'll choose wide instead of standard because it doesn't really matter. You can choose either or because we're going to be changing the dimensions anyway, but since wide is going to be basically vertical but just rotated 90 degrees, we'll choose that. All right, and we're just gonna click on this and delete it, and delete. Click on that and delete it as well. So what we first want to do here is go to Document, and we're going to go down to where it says Slide Size, and right now it's in 16:9 as we see, but instead, or you could choose Standard, but we're going to go to Custom Slide Size, and then we're going to switch these two around, the width and the height. So we're going to we'll just copy Command C here, this, and then we're going to change this to 1080, the width, and then we'll change the height. We'll just press Command V for paste, or you can just enter 1920 there. And we'll press OK, and now we have a vertical video aspect ratio. And now let's go and take a video that is normally horizontal, as you can see here. This is a horizontal video, and we're going to drag that into here, and it'll take a moment to insert. All right, so now it's inserted into our Keynote project. And so what you can do here, we can center it by looking at the yellow lines here. We can move it here, here, wherever you want. Centering it, you'll see when it's centered when both lines are crossing each other. So we can have our video. We now have a vertical video here, and we basically resized the horizontal to fit into the vertical video aspect ratio. So if you want, you can make the video just simply look like this, and you'll have these, these black borders basically on the top and the bottom. Or if you'd like, you can actually also resize this in any way you want. You can make it bigger and move it around. You can center it again if you'd like. And so now we have it even bigger here. If you want to, we wouldn't want to make it the height, the full size, because then we're cutting off too much of the image inside the video. But if you want to do that, you can. You can certainly do that if you want. And the way you want to do that is we'll go to Format. We'll click on the video itself and go to Format, and then we'll go to Arrange, and we'll just make our height 1920. Press Return there. And as you see, now we have the video that it is completely covering the screen. But as you see, it's been cropped a bit. So that's what it'll look like. And then when you're happy with the size of what you want and how you're cropping your video, you'll just go to File, and you'll just go to Export To, and you'll go to Movie. And what you can do here now, you want to make sure there's no delays or anything like that. So we'll just change these here to 0. And you can choose your resolution. I like to go for the highest quality possible, so we'll choose 1080p. And we'll press Next. And we'll just call this vertical video and have it saved to our desktop, and we'll press Export. And it'll take a moment to create the movie for us. Okay, and now we actually don't need to have Keynote open anymore, but just to be sure, we'll just check out our desktop first. And right here we have vertical video. We'll press space to check it out. Okay, so it's been created. And just to let you know, sometimes when you're creating a video with Keynote, you want to check the end, because sometimes there's a little bit, as you see, there's a little bit of black at the end, like a a frame or two of a black screen at the end that gets created. And you can always, if you want, just open up QuickTime and trim that off. And if you're wondering how to do that, we have another video on our channel for learning how to trim a video in QuickTime. But yeah, for now, that's all. And that's how you create a vertical video in Keynote.